English-Estonian. Can you equals.
kas sa.
Polite requests made fun. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Quick warm-up. A robot only moves when you say the magic words.
kas sa.
Otherwise, it just beeps and sips oil tea. Ready to power it up? Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask polite favors in Estonian. Core phrase. Can you equals.
kas sa.
Informal, one person. Polite, plural.
kas te.
Pattern tip. Keep the verb in base form, dictionary form, after the dots, like
avada.
to open, or
rääkida.
to speak. Mini dialogues you can steal. Listen, repeat, and smile. These are your everyday lifesavers. You.
kas sa avada akna.
Can you open the window? You.
kas sa rääkida aeglasemalt, palun?
Can you speak slower, please? You.
kas sa öelda mulle oma nime?
Can you tell me your name? At dinner. You.
kas sa anda soola?
Can you pass the salt? Sci-fi mode. You.
kas sa avada õhulüüsi?
Can you open the airlock? Pronunciation and form. Keep it chill and clear, short and friendly works best.
kas
Sounds like cause.
sa.
Like saw. Put them together.
kas sa.
Structure reminder.
kas sa.
Plus base verb.
avada. rääkida. öelda. anda.
Add softeners like
palun.
please.
kas sa rääkida aeglasemalt, palun?
Drills. Your turn. Echo me, then try alone. You got this. Echo.
kas sa avada akna?
Repeat now. Echo.
kas sa rääkida aeglasemalt, palun?
Repeat now. Echo.
kas sa öelda mulle oma nime?
Repeat now. Now you. Build one with to pass.
anda.
E.g., salt. Go. Culture tip. Polite and clear wins in Estonia. Estonians appreciate directness with courtesy.
kas sa.
Keeps it friendly. Add
palun.
to sweeten it. With strangers or groups, switch to
kas te.
example.
kas te rääkida aeglasemalt, palun?
Memory hacks. Lock it in with a smile and a move. Mnemonic. Can a sister assist? Cast saw.
kas sa.
Rhyme. When you need a hand or two, start with
kas sa.
gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, as if offering a request, and say
kas sa.
quick quiz. Fast round, answer out loud. 1. How do you say, can you, in Estonian? Answer.
kas sa.
2. Plural, polite version, say it. Answer.
kas te.
3. Translate. Can you open the window? Answer.
kas sa avada akna?
4. Fill the blank.
sa.
Answer.
kas.
Challenge time. Build 3 fresh requests using the base verb. A. Ask a friend to speak slower. Model.
kas sa rääkida aeglasemalt, palun?
B. Ask someone to tell you the Wi-Fi password. Model.
kas sa öelda wifi parooli?
C. At the table, ask to pass water. Model.
Kas sa anda vett?
Wrap up and thanks. You did great, polite power unlocked. Today you mastered.
Kas sa?
And.
Kas te?
For friendly, clear requests. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing with tiny daily prompts, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio. This has been Synapse Lingo, Tan and Sind, and see you next time.